Hi guys, it's Lulu from Boho Locs here, and I'm so excited today because I'm doing our Boho Silk Loc tutorial video. What we do is a very similar base, if you've worn Boho Locs before, very similar base to our Boho Goddess and our mermaid locks, and with the exception that we're going to have individuals in the parting as well. So I have 12 individuals in total. As for the cane rows, we're going to go ahead and do eight cane rows and then just stitch them up and you're good. So when you purchase your silk locks, you are going to get 6 packs of locks, and when I tell you this is more than enough, this is more than enough. You're going to get 5 packs of the 24-inch silk locks, and then you will get 1 pack of the 16 to 18 inch silk loc, which is for the front. So we're going to save this one, save the best to last. So these are the 5 packs you have for the cornrows. However, this is too much. You're never, if you installed these many silk locks, you've installed too many silk locks. Okay, so here we have a silk loc. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna start behind the individuals, and I'm gonna space them about an inch apart. So I'm gonna use like 2 fingers to let me know where I should be putting each silk loc. So that's the first row done. If you can, you want to try and get a little bit of brickwork going on. So brickwork, if you remember, is where you have like a lock in the gap. So you're going to try and, so when they're laying down, everything is covered. So what I've got here is 1 pack of silk locks installed. So to do the bulk of my head, yeah, took 3 packs and 20 minutes. Because we love you at Boho Locs, you will have 2 packs left. And now I'm going to move on to doing the front section. I'm going to take your 16 to 18 pack, and we're just going to install individually, and then we're going to double wrap. And you have most of the install done in 30 minutes, 30 minutes. So if we look at this side of my silk locks, I've double wrapped all of these locks here. So you can see my hair here and the lock here. First thing that we're gonna do is open the lock a little bit and sort of like wrap it around my natural hair. So my natural hair is now inside of this lock, and to seal it we're going to double wrap, and to do that you'll just take a spare lock. First of all, you're going to cut off the silky end, and then you'll cut the loop in half and then pull it apart. Once you've got the lock hair, you just go through and like bring some separation. And then we're going to use our crochet needle. We're going to go under the base of the lock, hook in, get the wrapping hair. So it's through the base. We're going to look at which way the lock is turning, and this one is going anti-clockwise, this way. So I'm going to also wrap this hair in the same direction. And then we're just gonna take a little dab of glue. I'm gonna roll the glue into the lock. Rolling, 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 rolling. Then we'll get our hands and we'll roll it like that at the end. And so guys, here are the results of my Silk Lock install that I literally love. These locks have given me a new lease on life. And that's why I do what I do. I just love it. I love to make myself feel good and I love to make all of you guys feel good. But I just want to share with you the good news about these Boho Silk Locks is that you have so many left over. When we started the install process, we had 6 packets of hair, and now we have finished the install process 1 hour later, just 1 hour it takes. We have 1 whole pack of Silk Locks plus some spares. So you've got more than enough to do your touch-ups with, absolutely no problem. We always design our locks to have just more than you need so you can top up yourself and keep your locks looking fresh for longer. We love you guys. This is what's left. This is the results. I'm about to go out. I'm hitting the club. Seriously, I'm going out. I'm in love with this style. Boho Silk Locks. Ooh-wee. I'm feeling this. Yes, boo. Yes! Yes!